This is how you remove unwanted objects inside After Effects. Got my clip on the timeline, go up to the pen tool, and on frame 1, with the clip selected, I'm just going to start drawing a mask around the kayak, which I want to remove. And on the drop down menu of mask 1, I'm just going to keyframe the mask path, and then move through the clip, and just move the mask so it follows the kayak. And if need be, I can also change the individual points as well, just to widen it a bit and catch any stray artifacts. And then we invert the mask, so it's now like a black shape. And then we go to Window, Content Aware Fill, Fill Method, Object, and then just click Generate Fill Layer. And then it'll start analyzing and doing its magic. Once it's finished generating, you're going to have this second PNG layer above your clip, and these are the frames that it's used the Content Aware Fill to replace. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.